tayo. Tapos itlog. Ayan, ating pagkain. Itlog from kahapon.
Nurses who cover multiple units within a hospital. They say proposed revisions to the schedule to lead to less flexibility, and this could cause mass resignations, which will put patient safety at risk. We have tried to speak with management. We've done good faith bargaining, trying to let them know our concerns for patient care in this, and they have had closed ears. They reject that this is going to negatively affect patients, but nurses know better. UCLA Health says it values its nurses and is confident in its staffing program.
Ay, sira to. Pwede pa to. Kahit tayo.
At the NBA draft combine, ranking second among 71 participants, he's expected to be drafted in the second round.
Hot dog. Binabing tayo.
Debbie, thank you. Still ahead on Eyewitness News at 3. Dozens of closed 99-cent only locations could soon reopen as Dollar Tree stores. The new deal announced today. And all charges dropped against golf star Scottie Scheffler. Why attorneys say they can't move forward with the case. It's all ahead on Eyewitness News at 3.
Okay. Pagkain natin. Vlog. Oh my God, pagod tayo ngayon. Ating ulam. No rice na. Para dire-diretso. Diretso ang ating ano. Diretso ang ating mapapalakas. Itlog. Pagod tayo ngayon. Yan natin. One time ano lang tayo. Stop.
If you're driven by an adventurous heart, you're in luck. The 2024 Subaru Outback shares with standard symmetrical all-wheel drive and up to 32 miles per gallon. Plus, 97% of Outback vehicles sold in the last 10 years Subaru Outback. Go where love takes you.
Nawawala ang sili. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Prosecutors in Kentucky today dropped charges against PGA golfer Scottie Scheffler. The world's #1 golfer was arrested 2
Yep.
weeks ago and charged
Itong diet natin.
with assault and reckless driving. This came after he
Mm.
allegedly tried to drive around the scene of a fatal accident at the PGA Championship. His office can't move forward with the charges. Scheffler's attorney says the golfer should never have been charged in the first place.
Egg, chicken. Pwede rin pork. Mm.
Scheffler issued a statement today saying he holds no ill will towards the arresting officer.
It should get slightly warmer over the next few days.
Another egg.
You may notice a new Dollar Tree popping up in your community. Dollar Tree
Ah.
acquired more than 199 cents only stores. I'm Chase Patel Glendale. We'll tell you the latest details coming up on Eyewitness News.
Dollar Tree. Magsasarado na rin yata.
Crazy story. So this morning, I'm at the Nissan Real Summer Sales Event, taking a test drive. When Dave left, these cars were going fast.
Hurry in for Memorial Day savings. Now, Nissan offers this vehicle starting under $30,000. Meet the traveling trio, the thrill seeker, soul searcher,
Mm.
and Ahoy, it's the explorers. Each helping to protect their money with Chase. Whoa, a lost card isn't keeping
Yung diet na
you
lang.
down. Lost your card, not the body. The soul searcher is finding his identity.
Malasa yung chicken natin.
The explorer, she's looking to dive deeper, all while Chase looks out for her. Because these friends have Chase, others that help check, tools that help protect, one bank that puts you in control. Chase, make more of what's yours.
I'm getting vaccinated. I said, no, I'm going to get vaccinated.
So am I, because I'm at risk
Sarap.
for pneumococcal pneumonia.
I already got a pneumonia vaccine, but I'm asking about the added protection of Prevnar 20.
If you're 19 or older with certain chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Prevnar 20 is approved in adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weak immunity
May coke.
have a lower response to the vaccine. The most common side effects were pain and swelling at the injection site, muscle pain, fatigue, headache, and joint pain.
I'm not able to keep my plans. I don't want to risk ending up in the hospital with pneumococcal pneumonia.
That's why I chose
Excuse me, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Ask your doctor or
Mm.
pharmacist about the Pfizer vaccine for pneumococcal pneumonia.
Is that your Nissan Rogue?
Yeah,
Crazy story. So this morning, I'm at the Nissan.
Bukas, Thursday na naman. Bilis ang panahon ah.
These cars are going fast.
Hurry in for Memorial Day savings. Now, Nissan offers this vehicle starting under $30,000.
Ang ating diet. Itlog, chicken, gulay. Sa no rice tayo. Gat ito.
Eyewitness News is everywhere, anywhere news happens. Because breaking news never stops, and neither do we. Morning, 4, 5, and 6.
Yum yum. Itlog.
Dollar Tree has confirmed it has acquired the rights. Eyewitnesses reporter Daisha Patel has the details from Glendale.
Itlog tsaka chicken. Ang palakas.
Dollar Tree has confirmed they've acquired
Protein.
170 99-cent only stores. Many 99-cent only stores in SoCal look like this, completely empty with no merchandise. So this is a huge relief for many who rely on these stores for affordable groceries and necessities. Reported back in April, more than 399
99 cents, sarado na.
Were some of the reasons stores were closing. Shelves quickly emptied out during liquidation sales, and while it's not official yet, a commercial real estate firm
Mag-reopen.
retail specialist posted a list of stores online showing Dollar Tree was the successful bidder
Mm.
for certain 99 cents only store locations. Most of the stores on that list are here in Southern California in places like Burbank, Long Beach, Lancaster, Santa Ana, North Hollywood, and more. Eyewitness News reached out to Dollar Tree
Mm.
for a list of the 100
Yum, yum.
locations they're acquiring to
Yum,
see which
yum.
stores will be here in Southern California. They say that list isn't available yet. A big concern on the table, though, is whether Dollar Tree will be able to hire employees, especially with new minimum wage requirements.
Labor shortages have been very hard on this format because they usually, rely on such
Hot dog from yesterday.
prices that they don't have a lot of employees in the store, they don't pay very well, and finding people willing to work in these stores has been difficult. The conditions in these stores for workers have been criticized even. And I think
Diet.
that's kind of what hurt the 99 cents and what caused them to fail.
With
So
Coke.
Dollar Tree is going to face a similar challenge, and we'll see how they are able to handle it. They do have a much larger national presence, a larger number of stores. and so
Thank you, Lord.
scale of the
Ito lang yung
cost side.
breakfast saka lunch natin. Sa gabi, ano na lang. Exercise. Kanina, tumakbo tayo eh.
Retailer slashing prices in an effort to lure shoppers back. Turned off by
Mm.
prices. Today, Walgreens announced
Ating diet, chicken, itlog,
1,000 items will
at sili.
and at its stores. The price cuts will
Mm.
apply to both name brand and store brands. Walmart and Target have also lowered prices after the inflation spike in recent years. Retailers hope cutting prices will
Yum, yum.
encourage more people to splurge.
Another violent eruption from a volcano in
Ah.
Iceland forces people at one of the country's most popular tourist spots to evacuate. Today's eruption began after a series of earthquakes. It wasn't long before lava was shooting into the air as thick smoke billowed from the ground. This is the fifth time the volcano has erupted since December.
Volcano
Just
erupts.
before the eruption, sirens sounded at the Blue Lagoon Geothermal Spa. Everyone was forced to leave due to concern about a potential eruption following those quakes.
For those of you who don't like Meg Ray, and you know who you are, I present to you Northern India struggling with a heat wave. The unrelenting heat has forced schools to close in some parts. They made it dangerous for people to work outside. Earlier this week, India's capital, Delhi, hit 122 degrees
So good.
Fahrenheit. Officials there are also trying to confirm that they broke the record with today's heat. The country's weather department expects the high temperatures to persist across the area for the next few days.
Mm.
Dangerously high
Yeah,
heat,
that really is.
obviously. We don't want that.
No, but you know, it's always kind of
Sunshine.
it's always a kind of May, May, June, you know, we go, oh man, like that. Then comes July, no, they don't, they don't. You know, they don't say that.
Then in October, and then October, it's still hot. Halloween.
There you go. Exactly. So we're gonna give you a look back. You
Almost done.
because we call it low climate. You want cloudy, we got cloudy. You want sunshine, we have sunshine. I'll get to you in the Sunday forecast in a bit. That's how we go. We put a strong result again that May grid is getting in play. And it's a lot to show you this how it starts the day. But then there you go. By around midday after you see a little more sunshine working, and you see lots of sunshine as you move around a lot more SoCal. Look at that. Right when it's 76 degrees, I mean, that's a great mountain day. So you mentioned now it's about to start on the cloudy side. Now 75 under most of these sunny skies.
Sobrang lang.
And checks in also blue skies there at the happiest place over there in the 70s as well. So we can see the temperatures certainly warm spots.
Yep.
You want the heat? How about that? 92? 91, Palm Springs, 99. Want the cool and cloudy? How about Oxnard, 63.
Sigarin na rin to.
3 o'clock hour, Santa Monica at 65. Our air quality, well, at the
Mm.
moment, we're looking at good to moderate through the area. So the yellows indicate the moderate levels of air quality with the green spots, the good air quality. Then it sounds a little, it's kind of a little battle between high pressure, low pressure troughs and weirdness. So we got a little trough right now, so it tends on the cool side, a little more marine layer working. But we'll see a little ridge,
Yeah.
lower things up to a bit. Then we'll see another trough digging again.
Back to work. Back to work. Tapos.